Okay, let's set up the plaster of Paris. We have some patches to patch in a closet. So we're gonna put the plaster in a little small piece of plastic, and we're gonna take the four corners and we're gonna wrap it up like a dough bag. And then we're gonna pour a little water into it, not too much, add a little bit at a time. And then we're gonna mix up that plaster of Paris in the water. Add a little bit more water, let's mix it up. And this is how we'll do it, patching simple holes. Squeeze it down. Okay, that's ready to go. We're gonna go over to the closet. Okay, we have a couple of small little holes in the closet I wanted to patch up. So I got my plaster in my little pastry bag, and I'm just gonna spin it around a little bit so it doesn't leak out the other ends. I'm gonna take my putty knife and I'm gonna slice a little hole in it. And then I'm gonna squirt some on my blade. Plaster Paris dries quick. So I'm gonna patch these holes, squirt some more on your blade, patch those holes. Squish some more on your blade. I'm gonna get ready to paint this closet soon, the walls. Continue on over here, patch your holes so this stuff dries quick, so we can get right to the painting of the walls. And that's how you do it. Use this bag and then throw it away. You don't put this stuff down the drain, it'll clog up your drains.